Hello, my name is Andrew Flusci, and I'm your Virginia traffic attorney. Today I want to discuss an issue that comes up frequently when you're talking about cell phones and cars. Everyone knows by now, hopefully, that in Virginia it's illegal to text while driving. But can an officer take your phone on the side of the road and start looking through it to look for evidence of texting? Can he peruse through your text messages to see if you were texting while you were operating the vehicle? The Virginia Attorney General just issued a legal opinion on this matter and concluded that no, an officer can't just seize your phone right then and start searching it. But an officer could seize your phone to later get a search warrant to search it. So basically there's a Virginia Supreme Court case that says that you have a right to privacy in your cell phone. After all, we all expect for the information in our phones to be private. We have certain sensitive and confidential information and personal stuff in there. And so you have a right to privacy in there, of course. It's your property. So in order for the police to start searching through it, they need a warrant or they need some other exception to the warrant requirement in order to search your phone. So keep that in mind if you're ever pulled over in Virginia and an officer says, well, why were you texting? First of all, you do have the right to remain silent, and you should probably exercise that right and say, I invoke my right to remain silent, and not answer the question about why you were texting, because if you respond, you're going to incriminate yourself if you were texting. And secondly, remember that the officer cannot search your phone. Now, if he demands to seize it to get a search warrant, there's really not much you can do about that on the side of the road. However, if he's wanting to search it, it would be a smart thing to say, no, officer, you do not have my consent to search my phone. And then if there does come to court, we may have a defense to an illegal search. So keep that in mind. First of all, don't text while driving. And second of all, exercise your rights politely whenever you're confronted by a police officer.